Pack it again with part 6. Woohoo! Aren't the ditch lights supposed to be low? And also, that's just a horrible patch job. Please repaint. Oh, wait a minute, it's repainted, but it's retired. Why, CSS? Why are you here again? Now the blue lobster is after me! Ah! Nice to see that CN brought back the iconic Steam Era logo. That's actually pretty nice. I don't see anything wrong about Anno 6144. Oh, wait a minute. The horse is gone. Oh, okay. Again, it's just a normal CN GP38-2. Hopefully there's nothing. Ah! Wait a minute. The blue lobster and the sheep are after me now? Ah! This is just a normal CN SD70M-2. Hopefully there's nothing. Wait a minute. Where the fuck is the N? What happened to that 70 Mac? Hopefully the back is at. This unit was involved in a wreck with Norfolk Southern, and then Norfolk Southern decided to put a Norfolk Southern -9 cap on it. And it's forever stuck with it. Woohoo! This Kodachrome SD45T-2 is really levered. Hopefully it's repainted. Or retired. Yeah, whatever, I don't even care at this point anymore. Why? Just why, Norfolk Southern? This rebuild is a piece of shit. I don't even like it. I'm not so sure about this one. I actually like this unit, but why was it slaughtered? I don't see what's wrong with this unit. I mean, the Union Pacific logo is gone, but I'm pretty sure it's fine. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, say, can you... Wanna know what 8104 looked like back then? Yeah, that's what it looked like back then, but the paint scheme is not accurate to the Lehigh Valley Locomotive paint scheme. Wow!